Because someone asked me how do you install a hard drive. Okay, now where you put your hard drive depends on your case and what kind of hard drive it is. This is a 3.5-inch hard drive. Okay, and this case is a little higher down here for hard drive trays. You just take one out. Okay. And you take your, too zoomed in, I don't know. Take your hard drive, you put it onto the tray. Okay, now the hard drive is on the drive tray. Then you take screws and you screw in the holes here, 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 here. Okay. One. Two. Three. Okay, last one. Okay, screwed in. Now do you see these parts here? Okay, this is for the power, and then this is for the SATA cable that actually connects to the motherboard. I'm gonna plug in power cable first. Should go in like that. There we go. Now we need to connect the SATA. Okay. It goes here like this. Come on. And then this goes, the other end connects to the motherboard. Let me put it back in the tray first. Was it here, right? Right. Now this goes to the front. I'll turn this around. And this part connects to a SATA port. Oh, it's dark. Okay. Okay. For this motherboard, I can't really see it. There's too many wires in the way. It's so messy. Okay, let's just do here. Okay, they go in one of these. All right, let's see, where is it? Ah, crap. Well, while I was pointing at it, I lost track. Oh, here it is. Okay, just plug it in. Let me see. I'll just plug it into this one. Nope. Okay, now it's in.